two eyes.
Make sure to like and subscribe for more videos, new videos every week. Alright, welcome to another episode of Bubby Boys TV, your favorite place for cool science experiments, gaming, and skits. So today we've got a special gift from Jaspace. It was sponsored. It's an educational science kit. And this one's got robots inside. Let's open up the kit and see what we got in here. We got a reptile, looks like a doodling ring, balance, and a running. It's like a man that's gonna be running. That should be pretty cool.
Wait, what?
Yeah, it's a guy who's like running on the treadmill. So today, the first one we're gonna build is the reptile robots. All right, so the first step was to put the battery cables connected to the battery here. Next, what we have to do is fix the motor to the plastic electrode. Yep, so now we got the bolt down, the 4 screws. We got our thing on the chamber here. All right, let's see if we can get some screws in there and bolt it down.
But that has a magnetic field.
All right, so we are mounting this motor piece to the base here. Hayden's doing a pretty good job. All right, so we got it mounted down. All right, we got the rod through for the tire. All right, so now we're gonna put our wheels on. All right. Mount our battery pack on the back. You just gotta line it up and get the screws in.
This is what it would look like.
That's right. That is exactly right. That's how it will look, my little scientist. You are correct, sir. All right, putting the Z-axle in there. All right, putting those wheels on. Push them in right there at the axle. There you go. Push the other one in hard.
Got it.
All right, rolling. All right, so we got our little googly eyes here. We are gonna stick it on the styrofoam balls. All right, so we got it all together. We got our googly eyes in there. The robot's complete. Now we just gotta put the batteries in and see what it does. Oh, he's alive.
Dad, do you know what you're watching, right?
Yeah,
Nappy?
it's all in that piece, Aiden. Once you slide it down, he's gonna start moving on you. Moving pretty fast.
He can scoot his
He's
butt.
rolling.
Okay, it looks like he has a mustache. This is what happens when your butt got 2 eyes.
We got all 4 of our cool robot designs built. It took us a little while, but we got them all up and going, and the boys are ready to play with them and check them out now.
Go.
This guy is gonna start running on a treadmill. Let's see if it takes off and starts running. Oh, he's on the treadmill.
This should be you right now, Dad.
Working out? Yeah, I do need to get a workout. That is very cool, man. Let's see. You want to give it a try, Ari?
After I turn it on,
Show him how to turn it on, Aiden.
you pull the strap.
Ari's got him jogging on the treadmill. Fine STEM activities. All right, so we got batteries in this wonky looking guy. Oh, he kind of rolls.
You have to push them though.
Gotta give him a little push.
Yeah.
Hopefully we installed them right. Oh, there he is. He's rolling now.
I think I fixed them, guys.
All right, he's rolling. give him a little push and he takes off.
Oh, can I use it?
Give it a try, Ari. Don't push too hard. No, you're pushing too hard, dude.
He's been, right?
Yeah. Alright, so we got the treadmill guy, we got this guy. Pretty cool. Then we got this last guy who is I think he colors.
Yeah. Good thing I always keep a good extra sheet of paper on my lab coat.
He's got a power button.
Dun, 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 dun.
Oh, he's spinning. Look at his eyes, man. Wow. Oh, did he punch through the paper?
How the heck did they make him so strong? He punches through freaking paper.
Alright, so originally we had him on paper and the guy punched right through it, as you can see. Got some marker on the table.
It was my extra paper.
Yeah.
Dare you?
So we're going to try him on the cardboard this time. He's not going to punch through cardboard. But we'll do a test. We'll see. It's an experiment. Oh! You can shift him a little bit, see if you can get him to move. He is shaking up a storm.
Nice!
He's doing a little color, but he's not moving well on the cardboard.
I'm just gonna keep him right there and see how long it takes him if he gets drilled through the freaking cardboard.
We don't need him to drill through the cardboard. Now we doubling up. Paper on top of the cardboard. See if he'll move a little better. Oh, still the same result. Turn him a little, see if it helps.
Nope. He's drawn through the paper again. There's no stopping this man's determination. He's drilling through the paper.
He is going bonkers, ladies and gentlemen. He is going crazy. Alright, and that is it for our educational science kit toy. What do you think about it, Aiden?
$1 million. This thing is great.
Alright, it's pretty cool. It took us a while to put together. Kids will probably need an adult, but it's some good STEM learning for kids.
Yeah.
If you like this kind of stuff, make sure to like and subscribe for tons of science videos, gaming, toys, skits, all kinds of fun stuff. We'll see you guys next time on Bubby Boys TV.
Bye.